deployment services .yaml. So our deployment created and our services as well. So if we come here and pick git pods, I have to wait. Run them again. So the MongoDB starts to running. As you can see here, we have only one pod, because here in the replica set we have specified to use only one replica set, but in production you can use 3 or 1 as you like. And the same thing for our Node app and our Nginx app. So if we try now to check, now they are running both of them. So if we go now to our worker node, right, here, go to worker node, copy the public IP address, and here you have to go here down, because we are forwarding request to our Nginx app. This Nginx app is opening a port on 3700. So I have to copy this node port and paste it here, right? And if I try to type now, enter it, now as you can see that our app is running successfully. Nice. So now if we try to sign up, create a user, an email, password, right? Try to sign up. Yes, sign up success. If we try to check whether this record or our name and password is registered, so I will log in with credentials that I have entered earlier. And if I try to log in now, yes, it's logging now. You can see welcome at daddy. Nice. So if we try now to go here to the worker node and check, we see, as you can see, that a new directory is created, and it is the same directory that we have specified here in the host page, right? If we try to get in these volumes and check the files, yes, this is the files of our MongoDB. They are the files that are stored in this page within our MongoDB container. Nice. Next step now is try to run this command using Ansible. So now let me come here and delete this deployments and service by typing this command /f deployment services .yaml, and they will be deleted. So if we try to get pods here, pods, clear this. So this, it is terminating. So we have to wait a little bit. If we try to rerun the command, it's still terminating. Yes, as you can see, no resource found in default namespace, because we have deleted all the services and all the deployment, and within the deployment there is path, so there is no path because I have deleted all the deployment. So if I go here to Ansible and check if everything's work nice here, so what I have to do is to run this command Ansible playbook, then -e I specify the host file, then Ansible build Kubernetes, then React js.yaml. Cool. So if I come here and check if there is any pods running, yes, they are running. If I try now to go to my, yes, as you can see that we have here that everything's work properly. The next step is what is try to run this command to write in our Ansible server via or from the Jenkins. So every time a new build create, okay. So now instead of running this commands manually, we have to add this in the exec command in our Jenkins jobs, right? And every time Jenkins will make change on our GitHub repositories, either in Node.js or in React.js, then a new build will trigger via Jenkins. Then the artifacts will resend to our Ansible. Then Ansible will run to build this image and push them to GitHub. And master node will go in to retrieve that images and run our cluster, right? So let us go and see how that are working. So now let me go to our Jenkins here, to our Node.js job, and then configure it. I will modify something here, and I go down here in the build, and here I will execute commands, right? So what are these commands? Let's check here, Ansible, right? So I will cd to home Abdel. Then I will type this command Ansible playbook /e host, then Ansible build Ansible build Docker Ansible build Docker Node.js.yaml. Then Ansible playbook /e host Ansible build Kubernetes Node.js. So I will copy and paste here to avoid any errors. This, right? And then I will try to copy all of this and do the same thing for React.js. I will save and go to React.js project, React.js job, configure it, and go down here and paste all this and change this to React.js. React.js, the React.js. Nice, and apply and save. So what does this mean? Let me come back here and tell you what that means. Is every time I will make changes to my React.js project or in some files, then Jenkins will trigger that via this, because every moment or every minute Jenkins will check our repository and see whether if any changes are occurred or not.